Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to install JupyterLab on Windows using Anaconda. To install JupyterLab using Anaconda, we need to first download Anaconda. To do this, go to a browser and type download Anaconda and press enter. Click on the first link, anaconda.com. Click on skip registration. Make sure that Windows is selected here. And under Anaconda distribution, click on Windows 64-bit graphical installer. Click on Save. So now the download has started. The exe size is around 1.1 GB. Wait for the download to complete. Once the exe is downloaded, go to the location where the exe was downloaded and double click on the exe to install Anaconda. On the setup wizard, click on Next. Click on I agree. For the installation type, select the default option, just me recommended. So this will install Anaconda only for the current user and click on Next. Keep the default installation location and click on Next. Check the box, add installation to path. So this will add Anaconda to path variable. Select the box, register Anaconda 3 as default Python. Clear package cache upon completion. So this will clear the cache once the installation is complete. Click on install. So now the installation has started. Wait for the installation to complete. Installation is complete now. Click on next. Click on next. Uncheck the box welcome to Anaconda. Keep the checkbox checked of launch Anaconda Navigator. This will launch Anaconda Navigator automatically once we click on finish. So click on finish. So this has launched the Anaconda Navigator. So here we need to look for JupyterLab and launch it. So here you can see JupyterLab is present here. Let me maximize this. So JupyterLab is present here. Click on launch. This will launch JupyterLab on your default browser. Okay, so this has launched JupyterLab on default browser. It has opened the localhost URL. So JupyterLab is launched successfully. We can also check if JupyterLab and Anaconda was installed successfully via command prompt. To do this, press Windows R and type cmd. Here type the command conda space version and press enter. So this displays conda with a version number. So this confirms that Anaconda is installed successfully. Now we need to check if all the components for JupyterLab is installed successfully. For this, type the command Jupyter space lab space version and press enter. So this displays the version of JupyterLab. So if you run these two commands and you don't see any errors, then this confirms that Anaconda and JupyterLab is installed successfully. So these are the steps you need to follow to install JupyterLab on Windows using Anaconda. I have also prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. In this video, we will see how to install JupyterLab on Windows using Python. To install JupyterLab, we first need to download Python. For this, go to a browser and type Python and press enter. Click on the first link, python.org. This opens the official Python page. So here, hover the mouse on download. So this will display the latest Python version available. So if you click on this, it will download the Python exe. So click on this, click on save. So the exe download has started. So the exe file is around 29 MB and the download is complete now. Click on the folders icon. This opens the exe in File Explorer. Now we need to install Python. So for this, double click on the exe. On the setup wizard, check the box add python.exe to path. This will add Python to path and click install now. So now Python installation has started. Wait for it to complete. So the Python installation is complete now. Click on close. Once we are done with the installation, we need to verify if Python installation was successful. To do this, we need to go to command prompt. So press Windows R and type cmd and press enter. This opens up the command prompt. Here we need to type the command python space -- version and press enter. So this will display Python with the version. Next, we need to check for the Python launcher. So type py space -- version and press enter. So this will display Python again with the version. So this is for checking if Python launcher installation was successful. So when we install Python, the Python launcher gets installed automatically, as well as pip also gets installed automatically, which is the Python package manager. So let's also check for pip. So type pip space -- version and press enter. So this displays pip along with the version. So this confirms that Python has been installed successfully. Next, we need to upgrade pip. For this, type the command python space -m space pip space install space -- upgrade space pip and press enter. So this command will upgrade pip if pip is not updated. Okay, so here pip is already up to date, so it has not upgraded it. Now we need to install JupyterLab. So type the command pip space install space JupyterLab and press enter. So this will install JupyterLab. Okay, so JupyterLab is successfully installed. You can see here JupyterLab successfully installed present. So this confirms that JupyterLab is installed successfully. Next, we need to launch JupyterLab. For this, type the command Jupyter space lab and press enter. This command will automatically launch JupyterLab. So here you can see that JupyterLab is launched successfully on the default browser. So these are the steps we need to follow to install JupyterLab on Windows using Python. I have also prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. In this video, we will see how to install JupyterLab on Windows using Miniconda. To install JupyterLab using Miniconda, We first need to download Miniconda. To do this, go to a browser and type Miniconda download and press enter. Click on the first link, anaconda.com. Scroll down. Here click on the link anaconda.com/download. On this page, click on skip registration. So in this page, make sure Windows is selected. And here you will see Anaconda distribution and Miniconda distribution. So here under Miniconda, we need to click on the link Windows 64-bit graphical installer. Click on save. So now the download has started. The exe is getting downloaded. It is around 94 MB. Wait for the download to get completed. So the download is complete now. Once the exe is downloaded, we need to install it. So click on the folders icon. This opens the Miniconda exe in File Explorer. So to install it, double click on the exe. On the setup wizard, click on next. For the license agreement, click I agree. Keep the installation type as just me, recommended. So this will install Miniconda only for the current user account and click on next. Keep the default installation location and click on next. Do not check the box add installation to my path as we won't be using the command prompt. We would be using the Anaconda prompt. So do not check this. Check the box register Miniconda as my default Python. Check the box clear package cache upon completion. So this will clear the package cache once the installation is complete. So now click on install. So now the installation has started. Wait for it to complete. So now the installation is complete. Click on next. Uncheck both the checkboxes and click on finish. So now we have successfully installed Miniconda. Once we have installed Miniconda, we need to launch it. So to launch it, go to the start menu, press Windows key. Here you can see recently added Anaconda PowerShell prompt and Anaconda prompt. So click on Anaconda prompt. So now Miniconda, which is the Anaconda prompt, is launched. So now we can also verify if the installation of Miniconda was successful. To do this, type the command conda space -- version and press enter. So this displays conda along with the version. So this confirms that Miniconda is installed successfully. Next, we need to update conda. To update conda, type the command conda space update space -n space base space -c space defaults space conda. So this is the command to update conda in the base environment. So -n base is for the base environment. -c is for the channels. So -c defaults means default channel. So we are updating conda in the base environment via the default channel. So type this command and press enter. So this is asking to accept the terms of service. So we need to accept it. So press A and press enter. Again press A and press enter. So again press A and enter. So each time it asks to accept the terms of service. So press A and press enter. So now the command is running. Wait for it to complete. It is asking to proceed. So press Y and press enter. So the command is running again. So wait for it to complete. So Conda is updated now. Next, we need to create an environment. So before creating an environment, let's check the version of Python that is installed in the base environment. So to do this, type the command python space -- version and press enter. So we can see Python 3.13.12 is the version that is installed in the base environment. Okay, so now let's create an environment, myenv, and install Python in it with the version 3.11. So to do this, type the command conda space create space -n space myenv, which is the name of the environment we are creating, space Python equal to 3.11. So here we are specifying to install Python with the version 3.11. Okay, so this is the command to create an environment and install Python in it. So type this command and press enter. So the command is running. It is asking to proceed. Press Y and press enter. So the command is running now. Wait for it to complete. So the environment is created. Next, we need to activate the environment. To do this, type the command conda space activate space name of the environment. So myenv in this case. So type this command and press enter to activate it. So the myenv environment is active now. We can see that it is being switched from the base environment to myenv. So here again, let us check what is the version of Python which is installed. So type the command python space -- version and press enter. So here you can see the version of Python 3.11.15. So this is the version of Python which we specified while creating the environment. So the version of Python in the base environment is 3.13 and the version of Python in the myenv environment which we have created is 3.11. So we have created an environment myenv and have installed Python with a specific version 3.11. Next, we need to install JupyterLab. To install JupyterLab, type the command conda space install space -c space conda -forge space JupyterLab. Okay, so this is the command to install JupyterLab from the channel Conda Forge. So Conda Forge is a community channel which will have the latest version of JupyterLab. So type this command and press enter. So now the command is running. Wait for it to complete. It is asking to proceed. So press Y and press enter. So the command is running again. Wait for it to complete. So the command run is complete now and JupyterLab is installed. Now we need to launch it. So to launch JupyterLab, type the command Jupyter space lab and press enter. So this will launch JupyterLab in the default browser. So now JupyterLab is launched successfully in the default browser. So these are the steps we need to follow to install JupyterLab on Windows using Miniconda. I have also prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.